Hello everyone. If you look at my other videos I have created on my channel, I haven't made much good thumbnails, but that's just because I'm lazy. I've created fewer good thumbnails though, and I think that some of these are actually good. Usually people who make thumbnails like create through nice PCs and stuff, so I've tried hard to make thumbnails like these on my phone. And I was able to make thumbnails like these on my phone. So some of the apps which we need to make thumbnails like these are these apps. So just go to the Play Store and download all these apps quickly. Lightroom, PixArt, Volex, and Background Eraser. I've created this thumbnail days back, and for now we'll try making this thumbnail again. Thoda similar sa theme will be the same. Okay, so the first thing which I'm gonna do, pick up a nice looking picture of yourself to put it into the thumbnail. I've posted this picture on Insta. I'm gonna use that one. So for erasing the background, I'm using this app, Background Eraser. To be honest, this is the best background erasing app I came across. No hassle, nothing. It's all easy with it. Load a picture, crop it from both sides, click on auto and then click on the background. What the fuck? It's not worth it. So sorry, click on manual and move the cursor around the body. That's how I'm gonna do with my one. If you got background which is easy visible, you can go for the auto system. It will be a bit easier than this, just like I'm doing it in this photo right now. I've cut the background. Now let's move on to the app PixArt. Click on this button, edit a photo, go to background and select this one. This is transparent or PNG background or whatever you call it. First create a text, capital O. Now let's try changing fonts. So in the last thumbnail I used this one and now I'm liking this, so I'm using this one for now. Select this one, enable shadows, put the blur on 200 and opacity to 60. Positions vertical और horizontal दोनों को 0 पे कर दो. By the way, this sticker is available on my PixArt profile. You can check it out. It's completely free to edit there. I've removed the background of this photo, but I just don't want to use this photo, so I'll use another one. First remove background of it. Now let's just open PixArt. Pick the O and pick this photo. And place it over O and adjust it so that it looks decent, and then erase the lower part and do same as I'm doing in this photo. And just save it for now, and for a while we'll talk about the app Volex. It's a wallpaper app, and wallpapers of which I use as backgrounds in my thumbnails with ease and a little bit smartly. It actually has some decent looking, some trippy, shady wallpapers which might give a nice looking lighting effect to your thumbnails. Download this app, go to categories and go for words and save wallpapers which vibe to you but look alike of I'm saving right now, okay? So I already have this wallpaper which I've used in my previous thumbnail. For now I'm using this wallpaper. So for making thumbnails like these, always work on a black background. So we'll choose a black background first, crop it to the ratio of 16:9. So next I'll pick that wallpaper which I've downloaded from Wallex. I need to crop it. So remember one thing, if you are working on a thumbnail, always try to keep the background as minimal as you can so that the main focus stays on the faces we're gonna put in this thumbnail. Now save this image. Before doing anything else, just search my profile here as an artist and you will find me, Euronsip. I took these screenshots from an app called Field Simulation. These assets will help us in making thumbnails. You just need to click on each screenshot, click on remix and then save to your device. Now let's get back to making thumbnails. Now pick this photo and add here nicely. Add these cloud pics which I have downloaded from Google. Search for smoke background and you'll find him. And add this screenshot, this white one. Now blend this cloud pic and screenshot and select screen option. Adjust these cloud pics nicely. And enlarge this screenshot and move it down and put it behind my face. Now save this photo. Now pick this one which I've edited before and put it here nicely. And get this screenshot again and blend it, enlarge it and place the center of it at corner of the thumbnail and focus on the ends of these assets and make sure that their ends are not shown on the screen, otherwise they will look annoying for sure. They should always reach out of the screen. Get a duplicate of it and put it here on the left corner. And get a pink one, blend it and put the place it here. The thumbnail is ready. So after making thumbnail, I noticed that edges of hairs look annoying. You can clearly see it and can't unsee it. The edges aren't soft and failing to give it a nice look. So for this, I use this feature in Photoshop Express called Blemish Fix. It also available in PixArt, but it works better at here. Use this to make the edges look a bit dispersed, especially the hair segment. I'll do the same for his hairs. So I guess the thumbnail is ready. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, binge my other videos, and any question, ask me in the comments. Bye. Let thy come down,